Maintaining good gut health is crucial for not only digestion, but also for boosting the immune system, helping you maintain a healthy weight and even improving skin health. So today we're going to talk about 5 do's and don'ts for gut health. Let's get started. White heavy checkmark 5 do's for gut health. Number 1, do eat a variety of fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for gut health. It acts as a prebiotic, which means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria, including bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. They need fiber to thrive. But here's the catch: different types of fiber require different gut bacteria for digestion. For example, some fibers need those friendly bacteria we mentioned earlier, while others need other types of microbes found in the gut. So to make sure that you're providing nourishment for all the good bacteria in your gut, it's important to eat a variety of fiber-rich foods. Aim for a colorful mix of fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. This ensures you provide the diverse range of fibers these beneficial microbes need to flourish. Do include fermented foods in your diet. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kombucha are rich in probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that are beneficial for gut health. Including these foods in your diet helps to increase the diversity of your gut flora. A diverse gut microbiome is associated with better overall health. Aim to have 1 to 2 servings of fermented foods per day. Remember, it's the diversity of bacteria that's key. So try to include a variety of fermented foods in your weekly meals to reap the full benefits. Don't overuse antibiotics. Antibiotics are powerful medicines that fight bacterial infections. However, they kill all bacteria, both harmful and beneficial. So while they're essential for treating bacterial infections, it's important not to overuse them. Taking antibiotics when you don't need them or for viral infections can disrupt your gut health by reducing its microbial diversity. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues and make you more susceptible to future infections. If you must take antibiotics, follow up with probiotic-rich foods to help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining good gut health. Water helps to keep things moving in your digestive tract, helping fiber do its job and preventing constipation. Staying hydrated also helps prevent the formation of hard, painful stools. Additionally, drinking enough water keeps your body running smoothly, aiding in nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily. If you're more active or live in a hot climate, drink more. Remember, the best way to know if you're hydrated is by looking at the color of your urine. If it's pale straw or clear, you're likely well hydrated. Manage stress. When you're stressed, your body produces hormones like cortisol that can affect digestion. Over time, chronic stress can disrupt the gut-brain connection, leading to inflammation and digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome. Finding ways to manage stress is essential for gut health. Simple techniques like deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, or short walks can significantly help. Get enough sleep. Sleep is a fundamental factor in maintaining good gut health. During sleep, your body releases hormones that promote digestion and gut repair. Quality sleep helps maintain the balance of gut microbes, ensuring proper nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Lack of sleep or poor sleep quality can disrupt this balance, leading to digestive issues and reduced immunity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with your family and friends so that they too can benefit from this knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one. Your health is our priority, and we're here to support you on your journey to better health and well-being. Stay healthy, stay happy.